Okay, welcome back to Mill Creek Range. Benji here again. And now I've got my 130-year-old Winchester Model 1873. I'm going to run some black powder rounds through it. These are some Missouri bullets, projectiles. I don't remember if I think they're actually 200 grain. And there's actually lubed with smokeless powder lube. And I actually removed that lube and then put some SPG black powder lube on them. Sort of going to run these, see how they run through this old girl. These here are actually loaded up. These 5 here that I'm running, first here is loaded up with 30 grains of 2F Swiss, with then the rest of the case is filled up with some cream of wheat as a filler material, and then the bullet then placed up on top. Everything's pressed down and then loaded up, crimped. So let's see how these here run. I've only loaded up 5. I just wanted to see how they would run with 30 grains through it, and then let's see how they put down a down range. Pretty good. There we go. Up, missed one. There we go. And there we go. 5. Up, got 4 on target. 1 I flinched. I had a case actually caught between my palm of my hand and the stock, and it was a little warm. So I got to pick up the brass because this brass ain't cheap, and definitely don't want to be losing any. So next up, let's check out some that I've loaded up. Same bullet, but now this time it will be 35 grain of 2F Swiss with then no filler. See how that does. Okay, we're loaded up again with 5 rounds, 44 WCF, Starline cases with 35 grain of 2F Swiss with a Missouri bullet, 200 grain round nose flat point projectile. Good. Nice. Yes, ma'am. Put it down the range. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. 130-year-old gun. When I first got it, it would not have done that. It was basically a non-shooter. Needed a lot of work. Now she shoots very good. Running them rounds nice and fast. Slick. Put them right up on target. Beautiful. She's not pretty, but she does the job. Like my old guns. If you like them, please click like, subscribe to the channel. Hope to be bringing a lot more content to you later on. Hopefully next time, hopefully the wind won't be blowing like it is today. Y'all have a good day. Keep your powder dry. We'll see you on down the trail. Y'all be safe. Bye-bye. Woohoo!